Hooray, it's a Dyson! Oh, but there's only 2 of them. There is more room for 3 of them. Oh well, then let's try out the Dyson.
Hey,
Ladies and gents.
we found another Dyson. So I went back to IKEA to film more hand dryers. And guess what I found? More Dysons. And this thing sucks. Again. So, since our hands clean, let's go try out with the Dyson. We'll try the left one first. Okay. I'm going to try the right one.
Wow, he offered me to film the right hand dryer. People in the UK are so friendly. No, let's go back to filming the hand dryer.
The right one. Yeah, very good.